The real-time chart view plots the value of variable against time. This video shows how to use the real-time chart view in E-Square Studio Debugger. To use the real-time chart view in E-Square Studio, build the project, and launch a debug session. Select Renaissance Views, Debug, Real-Time Chart to open the real-time chart view. Click the Resume or F8 button, the program will pause at main. Drag and drop the variable onto the real-time chart view. The Series Preferences dialog box will appear with the variable name filled automatically. Then select the settings for the display and click Save. Right-click on the real-time chart view to open the real-time chart context menu. You can also add variables by selecting New Series. Click the Resume button to resume code execution. The chart will be updated in real time as the variable changes. Right-click on the real-time chart view to adjust settings such as set refresh interval, adjust axis range, zoom in, and zoom out. Select Properties to change the settings of the real-time chart view. You can delete a series from the chart by selecting Delete Series. For more details, refer to these pages in E-Square Studio Help.